Starting a mobile app development business in America presents a lucrative opportunity in today's tech-driven economy. The demand for innovative mobile applications is skyrocketing as entrepreneurs and companies seek to enhance their digital presence. To embark on this exciting journey, it is essential to equip yourself with the right skills, understand the market intricacies, and establish a solid foundation for your business. First and foremost, acquiring essential app development skills is crucial. Familiarize yourself with various programming languages and tools, such as Swift for iOS, Kotlin for Android, and frameworks like Flutter and React Native for cross-platform development. Knowledge of UI/UX design principles will further enhance the functionality and aesthetics of your apps. If you're not a developer, consider assembling a team of experienced professionals while you concentrate on driving sales and developing business strategies. Once you have a skill set in place, constructing a comprehensive business plan becomes fundamental. Dive deep into defining your target audience and the specific services you aim to offer, from custom app development and UI/UX design to app maintenance and marketing support. Establish a competitive pricing structure and a marketing strategy that allows you to reach potential clients effectively. Ensuring that your business plan is thorough lays the groundwork for your company's future success and growth. After creating a robust business plan, it is time to register your business with the state. Determine the appropriate business structure. An LLC is a popular choice for small businesses due to its flexibility and protective measures. Obtaining an EIN for tax purposes is also necessary to operate legally. Next, estimate your startup costs, which may range between $2,000 and $10,000 depending on the scale of your operation. This investment will help cover essential expenses such as branding, website creation, software tools, and marketing efforts. Building a professional portfolio is another key step to attract clients. Create sample applications demonstrating various functionalities such as e-commerce systems and appointment booking tools. A strong portfolio showcases your capabilities and encourages potential clients to trust your expertise. To find clients, leverage platforms like LinkedIn and Upwork, engage in networking events, and utilize digital marketing strategies focused on offering solutions to business challenges rather than just selling applications.